You did not start an HVAC business to chase leads. You started it to build. But while you are out fixing units, who is filling your calendar? At Noble Zero Media, we do it all. We run high-converting ads to bring in leads. We build smart artificial intelligence bots that chat, qualify, and book jobs automatically. We plug those leads directly into your calendar. It is the full client onboarding system, done for you. We have already delivered over $500,000 in revenue for businesses just like yours. Now it is your move. Book your free 30-minute demo today, and let your HVAC business scale itself.